To change the oil and filter on your Pro XD full-size diesel, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area and ensure the transmission is in park. Then, stop the engine and allow it to cool down. Next, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Then clean the area around the oil drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Before continuing, position a shop rag underneath the oil filter to catch spillage. Next, use an oil filter wrench to turn the oil filter counterclockwise to remove it. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase and ensure the old O-ring is completely removed. Then, lubricate the O-ring on the new oil filter with a film of fresh engine oil. Check to make sure the O-ring is in good condition. Then, install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn it an additional 3/4 turn. Once the filter is installed, wipe up any residual oil. Ensure there are no shop rags left in the engine bay. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the drain plug and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches. Also, remove the old sealing washer and install a new one on the drain plug. Then reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, remove all cargo from the cargo box and pull on the cargo box release lever to tilt the box. Then carefully clean around the oil cap. Continue by removing the oil cap and setting it aside. Next, add the proper amount of the recommended oil through the oil fill cap. Do not overfill. Add oil slowly to make sure oil does not get into the breather or intake. Then reinstall the oil fill cap and wipe up any residual oil. Next, verify the engine is still in park and start the engine and allow it to idle for 30 seconds. Then stop the engine and inspect the vehicle for leaks. Wait at least 15 seconds before removing the dipstick. Next, remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove again to inspect the oil level. When finished, reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Then lower the cargo box and make sure the latch is secure. Once complete, the maintenance reminder can be reset in the instrument cluster. Turn the key on and hold the mode button to enter the options menu. Then navigate to Service Hours. Press the mode button to select it and use the up and down arrows to adjust the service hours to a new setting if desired. Break in 50 hours, 200 hours thereafter. Once you have reached your desired setting, press the mode button again to reset the reminder. Finally, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.